As security focus shifts from endpoints to identity, Smartcard Authentication provides robust protection. Kasm Workspaces Windows sessions uniquely enable Smartcard pass-through for Windows applications on any device, including Chromebooks or even Chrome Flex. In this video, I'll demonstrate how Kasm's Windows sessions with Smartcard tools enable secure Smartcard authentication from Chromebook. Today I'm testing on a Chrome Flex with a dual screen and a Smartcard reader. From the workspace gallery, I went ahead and chose a clinical desktop application which runs as a Windows session entirely in a browser that supports Smartcard. Using a Windows PowerShell session, we can confirm the Smartcard redirection is enabled, allowing our physical Smartcard to be used within the remote session. First, we'll verify that our Smartcard reader is properly detected through the Windows session, and once we did that, we will retrieve the detailed information about the inserted smart card, confirming the connection is working properly. When prompted, we enter the smart card PIN, which is securely processed without exposure to the browser environment at all. With successful authentication, we can now perform secure operations within the smart card certificates. This architecture provides multiple security advantages: the inherent security of Chromebooks, Kasm's security-first architecture, and the hardware-based smart card authentication using industry-standard tools. Now we'll add the certificate to the workspace, and we'll actually use a browser to verify that it's in session and browser is working as well. Now we'll be using PivKey to test the Windows and browser authentication through the smart card capability. As you can see, it's prompts you for the certificate. Now let's pass the certificate. We should be prompted with the smart card PIN. Once we successfully authenticate with the smart card PIN, it should allow us to get access to the protected website. Now that we've successfully connected to the PivKey test server, we will access a different test inside there to make sure that it's pulling all its data. Looks good. So now we will go ahead and test the ability of removing the smart card and seeing if we can still access things within the actual Windows environment, and while we will actually pull it back in. Once I remove the smart card, access to the site will be gone. And now let's get back in and put it back into there to gain access. We will have to re-authenticate with the proper PIN. And access to the site is resumed, just like if I was doing a tap and go solution. With Kasm Workspace Windows sessions on Chromebooks, organizations can leverage Smartcard authentication with Windows applications without compromising security or user experience.